With Bitcoin storming past the $48,000 level, most of the altcoins have actually followed Bitcoin and have absolutely skyrocketed. But there are only a few handful of altcoins which are yet to explode, and these will give you the opportunity to make some good money. One of those altcoins is Chainlink. In today's video, we are going to take a closer look at Chainlink's price prediction against the US dollar, what could be our target for the short term as well as for the complete market cycle, as well as we are going to also look at Chainlink's price against Bitcoin. So stay tuned to this video and find out what are the important levels for Chainlink and what should be your price targets for Chainlink going forward.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram and join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below as well as in the pinned comments, and this is completely free of cost. If you want to contact me personally or become a premium member, you can do that by clicking the link given in the pinned comments. Now let's jump on to the Link USD chart first. So, as I'm recording this video, Link is currently at about $28.2 approximately. It has risen quite sharply. It has risen from lows of about $13 back in July and it has gained more than 100%. But this is comparatively low if I have to consider other altcoins which have taken up more than 3x, 4x in the last 1 month. For one of the example is Solana, right? So what are some of the important levels for Chainlink that we can find here? So for that, we'll plot the moving average ribbon first. So here we have the moving average ribbon, and as we can see, Chainlink has actually been fighting against the 200-day simple moving average, right? So 200-day simple moving average has been acting as a resistance for Chainlink since the past 5 or 6 days. We have tried breaking it for the first time since August 13 and we got rejected right here. As you can see, we had a couple of weeks going past it but no daily closures above it. Mind you, if we are able to close the body of a candle above the 200-day moving average, then that rally would actually take us to new highs altogether. What are the key important levels for the new highs? Let's take a look at the fib retracement for that. So currently the 200-day is actually coinciding with the Fibonacci golden ratio. As we can see, the 61.8 to 65%, this is the golden pocket as we can know, and currently it is between the 65 and the 61.8. so this is actually very key level. If you are able to close above it and treat this as a support, then probably we will be able to move new highs. What are the next levels for us? $33 is the next level. Then we have a next 38.2 Fibonacci at about $38. Then the 23.6 at about the $43. The all-time high for Chainlink remains to be at around $53, which we reached on the 10th of May. I personally believe that in this last leg of the bull run, Chainlink can actually go past this $53 mark quite easily, right? And if I have to get the fib levels, let's see what are the important levels after 53. So after 53, if you are able to go past 53, the next important level will be at $77, which will be important, and then 117, and we go on so on and so forth. I don't think that it can reach around the $181. That's from now on, that will be quite a run for Chainlink, and it could actually be in the top 5 cryptocurrencies. Currently it's at number 13 with approximately market cap of about $12.6 billion. So I don't think so that it can reach the 180 level, but definitely the 77 level is something that I am looking at quite closely, and even the $117 level could actually be a very important level for us. Now, if I have to talk about the short-term perspective, let's go to the 4-hourly charts first. On the 4-hourly chart, what we'll do is we'll plot the line graph. So this will help us to understand any patterns very easily. Whenever you are in doubt, you can actually plot the line graph, and this can actually help you here. So what we can see on the 4 hourly is that we had formed a double bottom pattern right here. As we can see, this was a bottom and this was another bottom in itself, and our neckline was approximately at around the level of $26.8, and if we took a measurement from the bottom, our price target came to about $29.2 approximately, and we are currently at about 28.2. but this is only the price target for this W pattern, which is breaking out currently. If I have to talk about the next levels, then of course 30 will be a psychological level, breaking above which we'll have 34 and then 40 and then 46 before we reach the $50 mark. Will we reach there at one go itself? I don't personally think so. I believe that there will be some pullbacks along the way, which is very healthy, as we saw right here, right? We went up, we got a decent pullback, we got a support here, we again went up, we treated this previous level, the previous top, as a good support, as you can saw here. So the market structure that Chainlink is building is actually very nice. It has been building higher highs and higher lows, but yeah, we started building a couple of lower highs, but yeah, again we have started making higher highs. So this is actually very significant for Chainlink in the short term. So for short term, my price target is approximately $29.2. Our premium members have gotten Chainlink at about $26 or $25. Some of them have got below $25 as well, but our price target remains the same for at about $29 for the short term, and by short term I mean maybe within the end of this week or so. Now, why I'm very bullish about Chainlink for the coming week is simply because of the stochastic RSI on the weekly. So we are currently on the weekly time frame, and if I pull out the stochastic RSI here, what we can see is that we have actually entered in this zone above 20. The blue line and the red line both are above the zone above 20, and as we have known from the past that once the blue line and the red line are both in the zone above 20, this is a confirmed move. Okay, and if you have to just do a quick measurement, what happened when the last time this happened? So last time this happened, Chainlink was actually at about $13, and from $13 it went to approximately $50, right? So, and that was a move of approximately 300%. Even if we don't get a 300% move from the levels of about 24-25, even if we get a half of that, maybe 150% move, that will also take us to approximately the same price targets that we had, right? So, or maybe past that, we can reach actually $60. So that is also very possible for Chainlink in the coming few weeks, but that does not mean that we might not get any pullback. We might get several pullbacks, which would be healthy for Chainlink in the long term. But remember one thing, all of these altcoins actually follow the king, and the king is Bitcoin. If Bitcoin moves sideways or actually moves above the $50,000 mark, then of course in terms of US dollars, these altcoins will actually rise as well. Now, how will these altcoins perform against Bitcoin? For that, let's go to the Link BTC chart. So on the Link BTC chart, what we can see is that things are not looking too great, because here we have plotted a double top pattern. Okay, currently it is at about 58,450 satoshis, but this double top pattern is actually bearish, right? And if we do a quick measurement of the price target coming down, so if this is our neckline and we do a quick measurement of the price target approximately comes to about 41,000 satoshis. So from the current level, it might be a drop of approximately 29 to 30%, but given altcoins, 29 to 30% drop should not matter to you. We are used to seeing even 50% or 60% drops in altcoins at all the times, right? So this should not be much of a worry. What I personally believe is, and all the altcoins will actually gain once Bitcoin reaches a certain top and then moves sideways or comes down a little. This is a pattern which was followed back in 2017 as well, wherein Bitcoin made its high in December 2017 and then the alts followed in late December and early January or mid-January of 2018. And even in the first leg of this market cycle also, we repeated the same pattern. Bitcoin made its high in April of 2021, then moved sideways or came down a little, and then the alts made their highs in about May 2021. Then of course we knew we had a massive correction and it fell almost by 50% or so, but that's a different story. But what I believe is, if you are looking for alts against the Bitcoin, then probably once Bitcoin reaches its all-time high and then calms down a bit, then would be the right time for alts to rise against the Bitcoin. Mind you, the top for any altcoin against the US dollar and the Bitcoin may or may not be at the same point of time. So keep that in mind always and be very, very clear what you want to accumulate. Do you want to accumulate more US dollar? Then you look at the US dollar value, or do you want to accumulate more Bitcoin? If you want to accumulate more Bitcoin, then you should be looking at the values against BTC. So that's pretty much it about this video on Chainlink. If you like the content, please smash up the like button and share this video with your friends and family, because Chainlink has the potential to do a minimum of 2x from here. Now, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but the things how they're playing out, I personally believe that from here a 2x should be an easy run for Chainlink in the coming 1 to 2 months. So that's pretty much it about this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.